The Moving Average Angle Forex trading strategy is now available for download on Atta's Markets Indicators Gallery. Long-term trends trading is one way to make more money in Forex markets. FX traders can use this strategy to trade efficiently by taking fewer trades and making more profit. Two indicators are used in Forex trading, 200 EMA and MAAngle indicator. This strategy will allow us to trade the long-term trends using the 200 exponential moving average and an MAAngle indicator. This strategy aims to trade the long-term trend change and keep the trade open for as long as possible. This strategy is best for traders who have long-term positions. 200 EMA. There are many uses for moving averages. It is used by traders for many reasons. It is used by traders to identify trends. It could be used to identify the price's location relative to the moving average. You could also use multiple moving averages to see how they stack. This could be used to identify entry points and areas. You could wait for the price to reach the moving average, then trade the bounce. MAAngle. The MAAngle measures the slope of a moving mean. This is because the slope of a moving mean becomes steeper as the trend in the price increases. The MAAngle indicator plots a larger value the steeper the slope. The trend tends toward being stronger the steeper the slope. Indicators: 200 exponential moving average, EMA, green. MAAngle. Timeframe: daily charts, and 4-hour. Currency couple: any. Trade session: any. The MAAngle indicator is based on a moving average. The indicator calculates the slope of the moving average to the horizontal line on each candlestick on the chart and, based on this, makes a conclusion about the current trend. The MAAngle indicator is a histogram, the color of the bars of which depends on the current trend. Red bars, downtrend; green bars, uptrend; the yellow bars mean flat. MAAngle Forex indicator can be used as a filter in trend trading strategies or as a signal to enter the market. When you see a green or red bar appear after a yellow one, you may respectively open a buy or a sell order. Features of MAAngle MT4 indicator. Platform: MetaTrader 4. Ability to change settings. Yes. Time frame: any from 1 minute to daily. Currency pairs: any. Trading on long-term trends is one viable way of trading the market profitably. It allows a trader to efficiently trade the market by taking less trades with bigger profits squeezed from the market. In MA_angle.zip file you will find MA_angle X4. With this strategy we would looking to trade the long-term trend using the 200 exponential moving average and an MAAngle indicator. The goal of this strategy is to take trades as the long-term trend changes and hold to the trade as long as possible. The 200 EMA moving averages have many uses. Traders use it for a variety of reasons. Some traders use it to identify the trend. This could be done by identifying the location of price in relation to the moving average. It could also be done by using multiple moving averages and observing how the moving averages are stacked. It could also be used to identify potential entry points or areas. This could be done by waiting for price to touch the moving average and trade the bounce off it. Others use two moving averages to determine the area where to wait for price to bounce off. Moving averages could also be used as an actual entry trigger. Some use the crossover method, which uses multiple moving averages, while others trade the cross of price with a moving average. The 200 exponential moving average, EMA, is a popularly used moving average to determine the long-term trend. This is typically used as a filter by determining the location of price in relation to the 200 EMA. MAAngle. The MAAngle is an indicator which measures the slope of a moving average. The idea behind this is that as price starts to trend, the slope of a moving average becomes steeper. The steeper the slope, the bigger the value that the MAAngle indicator plots. The steeper the slope, the stronger the trend tends to be. Trading strategy concept. This strategy aims to trade the shift of the long-term trend using the 200 EMA. This is done by using the 200 EMA as the trigger itself. The trade should be taken as price crosses the 200 EMA or if price has just recently crossed the 200 EMA. However, we should also align the midterm trend to the long-term trend. This is where the MAAngle comes in. The MAAngle is set at 50 periods, which is commonly used as a midterm trend filter.